Today we are talking about vocal placement. I will show you step by step with a simple vocal exercise that you can do right now, so you can feel the resonance and the right vocal placement. What is forward placement? It means directing the sound in the front of your face. When you do it right, the voice will feel lighter, brighter, and easier to project. How to find the right placement? Let's say, like, Let's do it. You should feel a buzzing vibrations in the front of your lips. Do it again. Ma. Ma. Focus on keeping the ah connected with the Ma. Ma. Now let's slide from a low note to a high note. Ma. Ma. Relax your jaw and keep your breath flowing. Ma. Ma. Take a short phrase from a song and sing humming first. Then sing it with the words with the same placement. If you lose resonance, go back to ma vocal exercise. Let's try it on NG sound. You have to feel the vibration here. Sing, sing. If your sound is stuck in the throat, focus on the nasal vibrations. Sing, sing. Let me know in the comments. Did you feel the vibrations on your lips, in your nose? Let me know. Let's do a siren. Very gentle. Sing. Great. Don't force it. Sing. Practice this exercise daily to make your voice clearer and resonant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vocal tips. You can check out my other videos for more vocal exercises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.